Your camera roll is probably full of videos that you've recorded and you want to create some reels. So I'm going to show you how to take those recorded videos from your camera roll and create reels with them. To do so, you're just going to go into your Instagram and you're going to press the plus button here at the bottom. This is when you're in the home. You can also go to your profile and press the plus button on the top. And then this is going to allow you to select what you want to do. So let's select a reel. Now you're going to select the videos that you want to add. So you can add multiple videos. So here's just a bunch of videos of me getting ready today or filming today. Let's add one more. And you can see as you add the videos, they're going to show up here at the bottom. So when you have all the videos you want added, you press next. But say you added one and you don't want to have it in there, so you just press on it again and it's going to reorder the clips for you based on what you selected. So let's add these again. So I'm going to press 1 here. Let's do this video. Okay, so we added 6. Press next. And then the first thing it's going to show you is it's going to show you this. It's going to automatically cut it for you. And it's going to suggest some audios that you can do. And this is like the quickest and easiest way. You can just click on the audio that you like, and it's gonna cut the video based on that audio for you. It doesn't necessarily need to be perfect right here. Like this doesn't have, we can still edit it on top of this, but I suggest going through this and finding one that you like, that's close to what you like, and then because the closer you can get here, the less changes you're gonna have to make later. So I liked this one. It was pretty quick, easy. So I'm just gonna press next, and so you can see what it did for me. Oh, actually, I liked how that turned out. The only thing I don't like is this clip. This clip doesn't really show anything. So when you want to edit your clips in it, you're just gonna press edit video, and then you're gonna select the clip. Like say for example, this clip, what it shows in here, it doesn't really show anything. So I'm gonna pinch my fingers and pinch the screen and zoom in. I select this clip and I'm just gonna use the adjust the section. So I'm just gonna adjust that section until you can see here, the white indicator indicates what it's gonna be like at the beginning, and then you know what it's gonna be like at the end. So I wanna put this white indicator to the beginning so that I can see where my hand comes in. Oh, perfect. So now it's just gonna have my hand come in. There we go, and let's play this. So it goes here, I have me getting ready, and then I'm recording, but here I'm also just getting ready again. So what I wanna do is, say for example, I wanna move this clip to in between this one before I actually start recording. So at the bottom, and you'll only see this if you don't have any of the clips selected. So if I have a clip selected, it's gonna have this yellow indicator on it. So I'm gonna click off of that. And in the bottom, I'm gonna go to reorder. Now you're gonna see all your clips. And I can just move that to there. And you just wanna arrange it so that it makes sense. Actually, I don't think this clip is actually even needed because there's not really much of a difference between here and here. So let's go in there and see if there's anything I do. Ooh. Let's have some dancing stuff in there. So move the white indicator to the beginning so I know it's going to be from the beginning. Perfect. Okay, so this one doesn't really have anything in it. Let's see if there's something else we can use in this clip. No, let's get rid of this clip. So if I want it selected and deleted, just go to discard, discard that one. And now I have a bunch of the clips from my phone made into a reel. I can go to next, and then I can post that in my Instagram Reels. Are you an entrepreneur ready to take your business to the next level, but when it comes to Reels, you don't know how you can use them to grow your business? Well, I've created the Reels Blueprint, which is gonna guide you through the gear and the strategy behind using Reels to grow your business. Download my free Reels Blueprint now. And that's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like button, or better yet, subscribe. If you want to dive deeper, I have an amazing freebie that's going to transform your business. So download that now. And remember, messy action is always better than no action. Till next time, peace.